Yeah, good morning, Katrina. We have some really good visibility here from our vantage point. The solar eclipse is taking place right now. It's just that the sun hasn't come up yet, so we're not able to see this. So the sunrise is at 5:20 a.m. And just a reminder, a solar eclipse is when the moon casts a shadow on the Earth, and it's different from a lunar eclipse. That's when the Earth casts a shadow on the moon. It's a lot rarer for a solar eclipse to take place because that shadow only happens in a very small area. And so from our vantage point today, we're expecting about 70 to 80% of the sun to be covered by the moon. So it's not going to be a complete solar eclipse. That's when the moon is completely surrounded by the sun and actually gets somewhat dark when that takes place. But still, it should be a really wonderful sight here where we can see the sunrise this morning here just outside of Clinton. And the solar eclipse will be peaking this morning at 5:30. So we're going to continue to cover this. And also coming up in the next half hour, we're going to talk about safe ways of viewing this and explain some of the equipment that we're going to be using for that as the solar eclipse takes place. Katrina, back over to you.
Thank you so much, Bill, and not to mention that gorgeous sunrise behind you as well. We'll check back in with Bill about a half hour from now, seeing the eclipse here in our area.